Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have some leg quarters right here, 3 of them. Already soaked, rinsed real good, pat dry. So they ready to be seasoned and cooked. Right now we're supposed to go ahead and marinate these bad boys from 45 minutes to an hour. Right now we're going to create our flavor. We're going to use some pickle juice. Got my last pickle in there. And some cooking wine. And 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Just 1 tablespoon. There we go. That's all we need. So now I'm going to transfer all this into my Ziploc bag. We're going to toss these bad boy in the refrigerator. Okay, so that's how we're looking. And now we're going to add our onion. I chopped up a white onion. I'll see y'all in 45 minutes. Okay, so we have an hour and 25 minutes instead of 45 minutes. I gave it an hour and 25 minutes. You know, it'd be better if you did it overnight, but we just get an hour, 25 minutes. Now I'm about to go ahead and pull these bad boys out and go ahead and pat them dry. I'm not rinsing nothing. I'm gonna keep the flavor as it is. I'm not rinsing nothing off. I'm just gonna go ahead and pat them dry. And then we're gonna start seasoning. I have my oven preheated to 375. Okay, so now we're just to go ahead and get our dry rub going. Okay. That's 1. Two. And a half tablespoons. Italian. One tablespoon. Garlic powder. 1. 2. Paprika. out partially. One. Okay, so now we're gonna add some vegetable oil. I'm gonna go ahead and rub that in. Then we're gonna add our seasoning. Okay, so we're going in the oven, 375, just like so. Okay, so that's how we looking right here. 1 hour on 375. Now we're gonna put it in there for another 25 minutes on 400. First, we're gonna rub some butter on it. Don't do like me, make sure you melt your butter and then pour it on there. Okay, it's going back in the oven on 400, 25 minutes. Look at this. Man. That's how we looking. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen in this good kitchen. Did my thing with these legs quarters. Look all that flavor. Mouth watering. Mouth watering for real. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. You know, I have to tap in with y'all. Can't be sleeping on these videos. Gotta keep them coming. But I'm doing my thing in this good kitchen, for real. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.